Hello guys, this is Farooq Siddiqui, and I have recently started making videos of the day-to-day stuff that I use in everyday tech life. So today this video is about creating bootable ISO so we are creating bootable USB, and I will be creating a bootable USB for Windows Server 2025, but using this method you can create bootable USB for any ISO that you want. So for Linux, Windows, anything. So the tool that I use is Rufus, and when you plug in a USB device, it's gonna detect here, and from here you can select OK, MS-DOS, FreeDOS, disk or ISO, and you can also create non-bootable, but we want to create disk or ISO image. And when I do select, it's gonna open this, and I have to find server 2025 from this list. Oh, found it. Okay. So I have selected the server 2025 image, and right now it's scanning the image to see if it's bootable, and it will select these options automatically. Okay, it has automatically selected these options, like there's a standard Windows installation, this is will be a GPT partition, and UEFI. So if we are making an image for older systems, older computers which do not support GPT or UEFI, then we'll have to do MBR instead of UEFI. So when we do GPT, we have this option for UEFI, and then NTFS cover. I'll just do start, and it's gonna. Okay, so remove requirement for, okay, remove requirement for this or an online Microsoft account. Yes, I want to. I don't want to create a local username, and yes, I do want to skip data collection. And no, okay. So okay, all that okay, and hitting partitions, and it's gonna format the partition and then create the ISO into a bootable format. And it does take some time, so once this is done, we will be able to use this ISO to install Windows Server 2025, or if you selected Linux, we will be able to install Linux, or if you selected Windows 10 or Windows 11, we'll be able to install those operating systems onto the computer where you plug in this USB. So we're gonna wait for this to complete. I will pause the video and resume the video later. It looks like the process is about to be finished. And we are almost to the finish line, 11 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, so the process is completed and the ISO is now ready to be used. I will now be upgrading my this server from 2019 to 2025, and I will not be creating a video for that. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want me to hire me to do some of the work for you. And if you have any questions, and if you want me to make a video for you guys, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.